Good morning, good morning. We are here. We're at Tanaka Farms, one of our favorite places to vent and to be. It's so beautiful. Give you guys a tour as much as I can. Hey Greg, thanks for being on the line. So we're at Tanaka Farms in Irvine, California. How beautiful.
Okay, go over there and you can take a picture there. Can you smell the food? It smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we can find some things.
We are here. They have yoga going on. Where Nigel did. There's Nigel. Hey Bob. We're here at Tanaka Farms in Irvine, California. It's so gorgeous. It's a beautiful day today. They got the reggae music going. Bring the kids out. Yeah. This is cool. Little ATV ride for the kids. How cute. Yeah. Alright guys, if you're in the area, come on down. Come on down and see us. I wonder if I can cut through. Okay. Look, stuff to do for the kids. Hey Sandy. We're here at Tanaka Farms. It's so pretty. I just love this place. Alright. Hi.
Hi, it's so pretty here,
Isn't it? It's just lovely. I love coming here.
I know, it's so much fun.
It's so pretty.
So that's right over here.
Okay, there's Nigel. Oops, sorry. It's okay. Oh, somebody left their cup. Excuse me, guys. Did you leave your cup? Excuse me, guys. Did you leave your cup?
I did. Thank you.
You're welcome. What are you doing, Nigel?
Having chips and guac.
From Conscious Dips. Yes, the best.
The best in the world.
Better than my guacamole? I was about to say, you know I make good guac.
You don't make chips, man.
Not yet, but I certainly could.